Yo guys, welcome to another video. I hope you guys have been following the technical Mondays and the technical analysis that I've been doing on Mondays for you guys. And we've been winning. I think we have like 70% win rate. Some of you guys have been following also on the Telegram channel. We have been posting some signals. Now, let me take you guys onto the charts so that I can show you my breakdown on the technicals for this week. Hopefully you guys will take some value out of the technicals and do your own research before you take the signals. So without wasting any time, if you're new to the channel, I do a lot of Forex videos to show you guys how to trade Forex correctly. And hopefully you guys will find a lot of value and information on this channel. So if it is your first time, do click the like button, subscribe, and also comment down below. So without wasting any longer, let's go on the charts and I'll show you guys a breakdown on my technical analysis, and hopefully we'll cut some pips this week. So let's go. So guys, we are here on the gold chart. We're going to start with gold. We'll go through what happened. So I don't want to make this one too long because I want you guys to get the information really fast. So we are on the gold chart. We are starting on the daily chart here. When we look at the weekly chart. When you look at the weekly chart, as I had showed you, this signal actually played out perfectly the way I showed you guys. It had played out perfectly. So weekly levels are still maintained. We have no change there. The daily levels, okay, daily levels we can look at. They are still the same. So what we are going to do is we are going to adjust this level a bit forward because that is where price could potentially pull to. So just to recap last week's signals or the last 3 weeks, this is where we started analyzing GBPUSD from, gold from, okay? We started analyzing gold from this area here, and I gave you this signal, which was perfect. Gold went to this level, wicked out, and it has been falling all these days, you guys. Those of you who traded, and look at how perfectly it came to the levels that I'd shown you guys. Just look at this. Came to this level perfectly. This is where I told you our last take profit was. This is the signal I gave out last week, and I told you to enter around here. And this is where the last week closed, okay? Perfectly at the level which I told you guys. So right now, we can remove this, okay? We can remove this because these signals have now played out. We can now remove this, and then we'll do a fresh analysis on where potentially gold could be going to. Okay, so we are going to start from, we're going to look at gold from, let's see the weekly chart, what it's saying here quickly. Okay, so weekly chart is, this level is a strong level of support, demand or supply, the way you would say demand, this is a demand zone. But this is also a support, you can call it a support. Look at how the market came to it and produced this week. Now, this week is producing a bullish candle. It's just Monday, but it's producing a bullish candle. So what do we expect? What do we expect with gold? What I expect, guys, with gold generally is that gold is going to come back to this level to test it before falling lower. Because I expect gold to take this level here, okay? I expect it to reach this level. So it may go in this direction here, okay? But that is a long-term signal. Let's look at the daily chart so that we can look for a swing trading opportunity for this week. Just adjust this a bit forward so that we get more space. So for gold, what we're expecting is that gold might come to this level and then come back to this level here, okay? If it comes to this level, it might bounce and go back up, okay? So that's what I see for gold. That's the first scenario. The second scenario is that gold might push down from this candle. It might reject and push down, break below, retest, and then fall lower, okay? So these are the scenarios I see for gold. So what you would do is go to the 4-hour chart. Let's go for the 4-hour chart, and then we'll look at what signal we can get from the 4-hour chart. So from the 4-hour chart, we can see that there is a very, very, very small level here, okay, where we see that gold is rejecting from, okay? You see this level here, gold is rejecting here. But if it breaks above, then you can take a short-term buy trade. You can take a short-term buy trade, stop loss below that level, and target that high, okay? Then if it reaches that high, you sell. Place your sell. If it reaches up here, place your sell up like so, okay? Place your sell to this level again or down to this level, because this level is where I expect gold to come back to, okay? That is what you do. But also here around where gold is right now, you can take a trade once it produces an engulfing candle, because this is a level. You can take a trade if it produces an engulfing here and then target this level here. Then if it breaks this level, we can target lower levels, okay? Can target to hold gold for a longer term, right? Yeah, we can target to hold it longer term. Because I expect gold to fall lower to this level here, to this level around here, okay? So that's where I expect gold to come to, around this level here. So that is the scenario for gold. So you can look forward for any of those signals to play out, okay? Just look forward for any of these signals on gold to play out. But gold is mostly down, moving down this week. It's a downtrend for gold mostly for this week. So don't try to buy it. Buy it only on this short-term buy if it breaks this level here, okay, to this level. Then from this level, take a short trade down to this level, okay. If it breaks or if it produces this an engulfing today here on the 4-hour chart, you can take a sell trade targeting this level. If it breaks this level, hold till this level. So that's it for gold, guys. So let's look at GBPUSD. Okay, so GBPUSD pretty much played out. Let me go to the chart where we were analyzing from. We're using FXCM. Okay, so yeah, so this signal for last week almost came to our stop loss, but now it's pushing back into profit, okay? So this signal is still holding. This is the signal still holding. We were running 100 pips. This was an update I sent to the Telegram channel. We're running 100 pips, but it reversed. And I told the guys on the Telegram channel to continue holding it. So right now we are going to still continue pushing down or lower with GBPUSD. So you continue holding this signal. There is not much analysis on GBPUSD that I can put on for you guys. But this is the signal that you should continue holding on GBPUSD. So that's the update for GBPUSD, okay? Yeah, so let's look at GBPJPY. Let's look at GBPJPY quickly. GBPJPY played out properly, perfectly. This signal here, this option did not work out, so we can remove this. This option didn't work out because I'd given you an option that if it breaks above and closes above and retests, then you can buy to this level, but it did do that. It did the second scenario, okay, which was this sell here. I told you to sell if it produces an engulfing candle. If you go back and watch that video, you will see. I told you sell it. This was the sell I'd put on for you guys. I said if it produces this engulfing, sell at this level at the when it produces an engulfing, stop loss above here, and this would be your target. And look at how perfect these levels are, guys. Came to that level exactly, took profit, and then now it reversed. This was a reversal for the whole of last week, okay? But this is where I had told you to take the sell from. Guys, if you're following these signals, please do give me an update on this video. Comment down below. And look at just how perfect these levels are. The market has come back to this level, tested it, okay? Tested this level, and now it is pulling back down. This one, we are late on it. We cannot take a trade on it because we are late. This pullback already happened last week. So what we can do is, for GBPJPY, is let's wait for it to retrace slightly. Even if it comes back just up to here, okay, then we can take a sell trade down to here. So GBPJPY will look at something like this, okay, stop loss just above this, then we'll target this level here, 1 to 3, okay. So that is the scenario for GBPJPY, okay. So yeah, those are the signals. But now let me just give you guys a bit of Bitcoin, because you guys had requested for a Bitcoin trade. I had this. If you go on my channel, I'll leave a link of that video with all this analysis on. Let me go to the daily chart. I gave out this analysis like 3 months ago or 2 to 3 months ago, And this analysis is playing out perfectly to the dot, guys. This is where Bitcoin was. This is where Bitcoin was when I gave out this analysis. And that video is the least watched video on the channel. I don't know why guys didn't like that video. But this was the analysis on Bitcoin. And I told you guys that if Bitcoin breaks above 30,000, it will retest and then it will quickly move to 50,000. But then I told you that if it fails, it is going to sell to this level here exactly. And then from this level, it will start to push up and break above 30,000 and rapidly move higher. Then I said, if it breaks this level, then it will come and test around the 18,000 to 20,000 mark, okay? Then push forward. So this is what is happening on Bitcoin right now. For those of you who wanted analysis on Bitcoin, this is the Bitcoin analysis. But if you want a detailed one, go onto my channel, look for the Bitcoin video, or I'll leave it at the end of this video so that you can go and watch it also, okay? Yeah, EURUSD is playing out also. I didn't give an analysis on EURUSD, but this one is very easy. This is a daily level. What you can wait for GBPUSD, EURUSD to do is to break below, test, then sell to this level here. That is just the simplest scenario you can look at for EURUSD. Wait for it to break below this level here, then test, then you can sell to this level. So EURUSD, this is the kind of trade you are going to be looking out for. Okay, look at this kind of trading and holding up to this level. This can pass you any prop firm challenge, this signal. If you wait for this signal, it can pass you the prop firm challenge, but it will be a long time, almost 2 to 3 months of holding to this level here, because I expect that EURUSD will come back to this level here. We are going to keep holding some of those trades because they are swing trades until we hit take profit or stop loss. Remember to manage your risk and risk money that you are able or that you are willing to lose. Without taking any longer, till next time, peace out.